Well, good morning everyone. I know it's been a while since I filmed a YouTube video, but today we are going fishing and it's going to be really fun. I have no idea if you can see me. It's probably really bad glare. Super early in the morning. Got up around 4:20 this morning to head over to Crystal River here in Florida, where I'm going to be fishing with an old friend of mine named Nate. We're going to be fishing on his boat, which I know I don't do very often. Usually you guys see me, I'm either on my boat or we're doing ponds or a land mission of some kind. But today we're going out on his boat, doing some inshore fishing, targeting mainly big snook and reds. And he's been having good luck lately, and he started an apparel brand, so I'm sure we'll learn more about that today. I'll have everything linked down below in the description. I know he's getting samples in now, so at some point soon he's going to have a full-blown company, and you guys can go purchase all his boat wear, fishing wear, all that good stuff. So we're about 30 minutes away here, and it's a little chilly this morning. Going to be just a hair under 60, so hoping it warms up. Fortunately I'm wearing shorts, but I do have a pair of pants to throw on, and should be a really good day. So if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I know a lot of you guys that are watching these videos aren't subscribed. It really helps out the channel if you are. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Over here, because all of this over here is broken bottom.
Okay.
And then there's another oyster bar that sticks it off at that point. Actually, it looks like there's somebody's bobber right there stuck on there.
I see that. Good morning here in Crystal River. Got you guys on the hat, but we'll see how that goes. Fishing some topwaters right now for anything that bites. I'd love to catch a big trout on top.
Man, honestly, the most.
Oh, that's cool.
Set up like a pass boat on the. I got all my controls up here.
Little foot. Yeah. Yep. Feels like a snook. I think it's a ladyfish. Or it's a trout. It's a trout.
There you go.
It's a nice little trout. On the top, we were just talking about it. Got him wet. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Nice. All right. Look at that's a beautiful trout. Holy crap. It's a shrimp eater right there.
Yeah.
Get my. All right. Not out of the water too long. Nice, dude. Put it there. About the same. Reel him up a little bit. God dang, dude's going berserk. Alright, we're just doing that. I don't want to lose him. Dude. Guys, look at that. A little NLBN, a little mullet.
5 inch.
Beautiful little trout.
5 inch bait on a 14-inch trout.
Yeah. Yeah, nice one. Nice one. There's multiple in there if you want to get a cast. Was it a branch? All right.
He's probably
14, 13, yeah. Look at that. Beautiful tail, man, in the sunlight.
JB the fish killer. We're tied right now.
Yeah, we are. That was not a graceful release, but you know. It may have been the biggest one. Second biggest, maybe. Yours was pretty big for trout these days. Got one. Are you kidding me? What? Oh, it's a lizard fish. Dude, it's almost the same size as the lure.
Those things are feisty.
Ah, jeez. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get over the grass to the right. See all that darker water?
Yeah, I got it.
Never mind. That's a bigger one.
Another one.
They like that thing.
Yeah, they do. Actually fought a little bit. There we go. Another, I don't know, 13, 14. I think that might be the biggest one yet. I'm actually gonna get a good release on this guy.
Number 2.
Yeah, that one's got some colors.
Another one.
Boom.
There it is. New spot.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Nope. Oh,
Another one.
that might be the biggest one yet. Freaking heavy. They're in there. Yeah, not a bad one. Not a bad one. Tenth wet sock. That's basically what they feel like.
Another one.
Little baby trout.
Another one.
Woo. Little speckled sea trout there. How big? Ooh, that's a nice one there. Choked. I love this little jig head. What?
Another one.
Another one. They are just stacked up in there. A couple of these have been keepers too.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Another one.
Little guy this time. Nothing wrong with it. Under that, I'm like, eh. I'd rather not catch it if it's under. I like that little thing.
I do too. It's pretty small.
Oh yeah. It's every cast, man. Nice to
Another one.
God, thank
Another one.
A little bit better. The trout don't seem to care about the weather. Another one.
Another one.
At the bottom of this thing.
All right, I have no idea if you guys can even hear me in this wind, but just caught a beautiful little redfish. Look at the tail on that thing. Let's go ahead and get him released. All right, we had to stop, got some lunch, but after those trout this morning, we are trying to catch some more fish, but 2 redfish so far, so let's keep. All right, guys, caught ourselves a target species. Beautiful little Crystal River redfish. Gonna go ahead and get this guy unhooked here. Without him hooking me would be preferable.
Well, I hooked myself.
Want to get a picture of the release with the big camera?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Here, I got.
All right, guys, made it back into the ramp. We had a really good day today. Although we didn't catch that many fish, we did catch a lot of trout. A couple decent sized ones, about 20 inches, which is always good. And you guys saw I caught those 2 redfish there at the end, and we just weren't able to complete the slam, get on a snook today. This morning it was 56 degrees. So a little bit of a cold snap. Could have affected the snook bite quite a bit, but the tides was good, man. I really thought we were gonna get on some snook, but if you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the video. Also, go down below, check out Waterman Outfitters down below in the description. I'll have a link to all their social medias. Their website will be up soon. All their apparel will be up soon, not only just for fishing, but there's also going to be just regular boating apparel as well. So Nate's a great guy, and he's starting this company, so if you guys want to go follow his stuff, give him some love, I'd greatly appreciate that, and we'll see you on the next one.